Welcome back, welcome back. Y'all, this is my hair. It is a rainy day. I don't know how my hair is gonna last. I really don't. And at this point, it is what it is. You said what, baby? What'd you say? What did you just say?
I want hair.
You like my hair? Thank you. It's not pretty, but if you like it, I like it. Morning after I took my rollers, like I said, I was gonna have full volume, way more volume, and I do. I really like it. It is a little bit frizzier, and I think, honestly, I think that is because of the weather, because normally it's not like this. Like in the summertime, or when I first started, before the weather started changing and before it started raining and stuff, it was somebody that has like fine hair. I like a lot of volume, you know. Oh, you guys see the brushes in the bag. Well, I had washed all the combs and brushes yesterday. I want to show you guys, this is the pick that I use to pick out my roots. I just put it in and out like that. I don't go all the way through the curl, but yeah. So that's the result I wanted to show you guys. So here we are once again. We are about to sit under this dryer attachment, and we're trying to get it right, but I wanted to show y'all that it's very easy to turn this on and to do it. Like I said, I do this weekly, and at the most it'll probably take me an hour and a half to do everything. So this week has been a interesting week. So my hair has went through some different changes due to the weather. Now I am using some iron guard, and I'm about to flat iron curl my hair, and then I'm actually going to put it in some rollers. So the reason why I'm doing it like this is because I did not want to wet my hair and do the whole set all over again. So I'm actually just going through with my small flat iron. I'm trying to make sure I get the roots, and then just running a short pass with my flat iron. Now when I do this, it's very easy. I sped up the video. I was gonna do it in real time, but in real time it took me about 10 minutes to curl my whole head. And then in the next clip, you guys are going to see that I'm going to put it in sponge rollers, but I'm going to use end papers. Now, I'm going to use 2 different size sponge rollers. The larger ones I'm going to use at the top, and then the smaller ones I'm going to use in the middle and in the back. I did just dust my ends the other day, so my hair is nice and fresh, clean. And so here you can see, like I said, I was going to use the end papers. These are the same end papers that I use when I am roller setting my hair, when I do a wet set. And the reason why I'm using these end papers is because I don't want my hair to get caught up in these sponge rollers. So I'm going to be doing this all over my head, and I'm going to sleep in these. So I did this at like 10 o'clock in the morning, and then I'm going to sleep in them overnight, and I'm not going to take them out until I am going to get dressed to go wherever we're going to go. Yeah, so this is exactly what I do sometimes if I am trying to prepare the day before and I don't have the time or don't want to do the whole roller set process, shampooing and stuff all over again. I did use the Chi Iron Guard, and of course that was to protect my hair from the heat. I think I used my flat iron on, I think it was like 320 or 330. So as you can see, I'm starting to roll all of my hair with the end papers. All of it is going to be rolled up, and here's the end result. Up, ready to go. Now this is the very next day. I had the rollers in for, I don't know, like maybe over 24 hours, literally. And I took them out the very next day because we had some place that we were going to. And here, as you can see, I'm just separating the curls one by one. I'm not necessarily running my fingers through it or even picking it out because I wanted it to have a certain look and I didn't want it to be frizzy. Now, even though the weather was fine outside, is what I'm trying to say. The weather was fine outside this day. It was actually pretty cool. Wasn't humid or anything. I just wanted to go and just separate the curls. And I didn't put any type of serum or anything on my hair or on my scalp. And it's coming together. I just kind of played around with it. And until I figured out what was right. Here I am with my pick, and as you can see, I done played around with it a little bit more. And I'm putting my earrings on because we're about to get ready to go. Everybody was waiting on me. So yeah. What you see is the end product. I was actually asking my husband if it looked okay. And the only thing I'm going to go through and do is brush my edges down. I don't use edge control. I stopped a long time ago, like a very long time ago. And this is the end result. Now I'm on my way. So this is after I have came back from where I was at. And I'm just showing you guys how my curls lasted. This was probably at 12 o'clock at night, the next morning. And this is me sitting down at my kitchen table about to roll my hair. Now, this portion, basically, I rolled it the same way that I rolled it the day before. So now I'm running my hands through it. Now the stuff that I showed to the camera, that was a serum. I just put a serum on there to prevent frizz. I did not put it on my roots. I don't put any type of product on my roots. The only thing that goes on my scalp is shampoo, and that's it. I don't use any type of oils, greases, pomades, goops, scoops, any type of creams, butters, gels. I don't use the edge control. I don't use anything on my scalp at all. When I'm really tired, guys, the only thing at night that I hate doing is finding the pieces to these rollers, because these little pieces be coming off so quick. You're gonna see where some falls, like that one fell. So I had to get another one and then trying to connect it. So yeah, that's the only trying part about this roller setting thing. And I also want to be transparent with you guys, okay? So the other morning I woke up and I was looking at my hair and I was just like, man, it just seems like it's, I don't want to say taking so long, but it just seems like I'm at a standstill. But then I thought to myself, I was like, okay, why do you feel like that? And just like I'm human, just like everybody else, I have been looking at all these other things. Now my my zhuzh, okay guys, my zhuzh is Pinterest. So I get to looking on Pinterest, and you click one picture and then that leads to another picture and then leads to another. And I don't even look at people how they do their hair. I just look at like certain hairstyles for the length that my hair is in right now. And when I tell you guys, I get so enamored by these beautiful hairstyles. And not to say I want my hair to look exactly like that, because I'm a realist. I know that certain things I'm not going to be able to do. But I'm just like, oh, I can't wait for my hair to just be this long or this length so I can do this particular style. And I think it's just the cosmetologist in me that just wants to try and do anything. But then I just came to my senses and I was like, girl, we're at where we're at. You have healthy hair. Your hair is not falling out. You just did a dusting trim the other night. Your hair is soft, it's manageable. To some, my hair may not be goals or whatever, or it may not look like how they want it to look, but trust me, I have come a very long way. And the consistency that I'm showing you guys, where I'm sitting here at my table at damn near 1 o'clock in the morning, trying to be consistent to roll my hair every night, and not just for the video, guys. I do this all the time. Like, I do this every day. And my husband knows that, like, I'm gonna be coming to bed a little bit late some days if I'm late doing it. But, I have to do this. If I want to maintain a nice head of healthy hair, it does. And that's another thing. You guys, your hair does not have to be long to be healthy. You can have healthy short pixie cut. You can have a healthy bob. You can have a healthy 90-degree haircut. You can have healthy shoulder length hair, healthy bra strap length, healthy whatever. Your hair could just barely touch the nape of your neck and it can be healthy, okay? Length does not equal healthy. Let's get that straight. I really want to specify that, because I don't want people to think that I'm doing this so my hair can be long. No, I'm doing this to show you that healthy habits produce a healthy head of hair. And for me, right now, at this moment, this is my healthy head of hair. So yeah, this may seem like a long ranting video, but I also wanted to talk to you guys about my personal feelings, the things that I have been feeling. I just want you guys to know that consistency is key. So whether you wash your hair weekly and flat iron it, or you do it every 2 weeks, or you do roller sets like I do, or you just you wrap your hair weekly. It's all about consistency. Also, being consistent with the type of products that you use, professional products. And as you guys can see, I do not showcase the products that I'm using, because I don't want this channel to be for people to say, oh, well, she's using that, so I'm going to use this for my hair. My hair is different from every other person's hair, but I do use professional products. So anywho, I just want to show you guys that this is the way that I do every single night. I try not to miss a night. And unless I am dog sick or something like that, but I try to do this every night. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one. So you guys have a good week.